which is the Accenture's proven migration expertise. When I talk about migration, Accenture has worked on various projects where they have migrated more than 200,000 plus different application workloads. There is a large corpus of trained professionals from VMware, from AWS, from GCP and Azure, and so on. And also, when we look at the different business cases or the projects which Accenture has worked on, these kind of migration activities have led to substantial cost savings. Again, they may not be very substantial going in, but as you start using your new platform, there is a phase of optimization and there is a continuous optimization activities which are done, which lead to around 20 to 40% cost savings. It can go even more, but this is a range. And I've seen in some cases where there has been a substantial saving achieved even beyond 40%. And apart from that, when we talk about how quickly you can deliver a product or a solution on your new platform, usually you will be somewhere between 30 to 35% faster for delivering your product or a solution, because whenever you talk about moving to a new platform, you have the flexibility of introducing more automation, which leads to faster turnaround times at every phase. And again, when we talk about migration, it is not specific to one platform. You can see there are different migration factory approaches which are available. AWS has one, Azure has one, GCP has one, VMware, Nutanix. Everybody has their own best practices based migration factory methodology.